Ever wondered how animal cells talk to each other? Let's dive into the microscopic world and explore. First, let's get to know animal cells. Think of them as tiny, busy cities. Each cell has various compartments, known as organelles, each with its own job. The nucleus is the control center, housing the DNA. The mitochondria are the power plants, generating energy. And the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus handle production and shipping of proteins. It's like a well-oiled machine. Now let's talk communication. Cells use signaling molecules to send and receive messages. Imagine these molecules as emails flying between different departments. When a cell wants to send a message, it releases signaling molecules into its environment. Other cells pick up these molecules with receptors, like reading an email, and then react accordingly. This is how cells coordinate activities, respond to changes, and maintain balance. DNA is the blueprint of life, containing the instructions needed to build and maintain an organism. It resides in the cell's nucleus, tightly coiled into chromosomes. When a cell needs to make a specific protein, it first converts the relevant DNA segment into RNA in a process called transcription. RNA is like a messenger. It carries the instructions from DNA to the ribosomes, which are the protein factories of the cell. The ribosomes read the RNA sequence and translate it into a chain of amino acids, forming a protein. This process is called translation. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell. They perform a wide range of functions, from building cellular structures to catalyzing reactions. Proteins can act as enzymes, speeding up chemical reactions, or as hormones, sending signals to other cells. They're like the multi-talented employees of our cellular city. So, how do cells communicate using these molecules? It starts with signal reception. When a signaling molecule binds to a receptor on a cell's surface, it triggers a chain reaction inside the cell. This chain reaction often involves a series of protein interactions that amplify and transmit the signal to the appropriate part of the cell. One common pathway is the phosphorylation cascade. Here, one protein adds a phosphate group to another protein, activating it. This activated protein then modifies another, and so on. It's like a relay race, passing the baton from one runner to the next. Finally, the signal reaches its target, often resulting in changes to gene expression or protein activity. This allows the cell to respond appropriately to the initial signal, whether it's growing, dividing, or producing a specific protein. In summary, animal cells are complex and well organized. They use DNA and RNA to create proteins which carry out vital functions. Through intricate signaling pathways, cells communicate and coordinate their actions, ensuring the organism runs smoothly. Isn't it amazing how all these microscopic processes keep life ticking? Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating science content.